Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my stock option scanner Google Sheet, which is going to give you positional trigger based on our advanced option strategy concept, which we are using to take a trade in stock options positionally. And it's based on this Google Sheet scanner, we find out some trade opportunities on positional basis. Okay, so those who are already attend the sessions, they know very well how we can use this. And weekly positional, which are taken out for weekly basis. And this was the third week of December. The first week is started on 1st of December is Friday. Okay, third week, and we have a expiry on 28th, I think, right? So before that, we have a one more week. So last week also we got some good number of stocks. By this week, so we are finding a lot of stocks given you opportunity, mostly the IT stocks that was rocking well. And today also some of the stocks like Persistence, GoForge, something is performing well. So based on our ADR intraday scanner, I find out Persistence, some other stocks like National Aluminium, and yesterday's sale and today's National Aluminium. I seen one more stock, National Aluminium. I think it was giving you such a good result. So this is what a weekly concept. So you know well how to we use a weekly trade opportunity by using our concept. As of this week, for the week, third week of December, we find almost 15 stocks, more than 50%, which increased from our entry point. 14 stocks, which is increased 40%, almost 18 stocks, more than 33% from our entry point. So, for example, National Aluminium, which we get given around 5 rupees is the entry point. So, let me open a option chart. I think today is also performed very well in National Aluminium. 97 is the strike price as a positional strike price. You can see previous close is around 3.5. Let me go for 97. That was a gap up 5.4, but our entry point is 5. Is there any opportunity? Previously the 5 rupees is not traded, and today it doesn't give you the opportunity. But as per an intraday, I was trying for the same National Aluminium 110 call, that is having quite liquid, I think. This one, sorry, 110 call. We check. Yeah, this wasn't good liquid. Initially, it was struggling around 5 rupees and it went up to 6.4. That's a good opportunity. But I'm not talking about this. And this is what a trade which we are ignoring because of that stock doesn't give you the opportunity. 5 rupees is our entry point, 97, and it is gap up comparing to the 13th December. 14th December, it was a gap up. Our entry point on this particular stock is around 5 rupees. Entry 5 rupees, but in this case, it is closed to 4.4 and next day opened by 5.6. So we don't have that entry active. So this stock doesn't give you the entry opportunity on what we are looking for based on the concept. So simply we should ignore. So among this almost 18 stocks which given you 30% increased from our entry point, but all will not give you the opportunity, but some will give you the opportunity. That we need to find out. So the next one is persistence 6500 on weekly basis. I'm talking about weekly basis 6500, where I should my taken enter 364 is my entry point. 364, which we got it around this point maybe on 14th December, 643 64 364 may be triggered here itself around 9:35, 9:30 to 10 o'clock range. So yesterday, and it is keep on rising and it is closed somewhere around 395, and today it continues and it reaches to the peak of 877. So we are not looking for 877, but we have some targets based on our advanced option strategy concept that was achieving our target. Maybe that is also we can apply our positional, monthly positional. Instead of that, if you are looking for a weekly, so we can try to take a trade on Monday, Tuesday, maximum Wednesday for a new positions for a positional basis, and Thursday and Friday, which you are looking for intraday only. Even though if it is came in the scanner, we should intraday only, because next week the sheet is going to be updated. All the strike price would be changed. Okay, so before using that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can have some time to hold the position. So based on that, you can try, and directly don't go to take on Friday for a positional one, because next week Monday the details of the strike prices and entry prices is entirely going to be changed. Okay, sale also be the 98, 7.2, whether it is giving you the opportunity or not. So I showing now, you can back test it. Sale 92, 92 na, 98, 98 gap up. You look for the 7.2 is our entry point. Yesterday maximum price is 7.2. So maybe if you are looking at yesterday, it was by closing our it given you opportunity. By opening itself, it was tracking, it was rocking, and it reaching to the peak. Almost it reaches the double the premium. So that may be in a, as per our concept, this is a entry. So something like that, you can track how many stocks which given you the entry. So those who are my student who are attending the class, weekly positional. Hope you understood some of the stock which triggers, and it is giving you some 10%. I think Bank of Baroda, Bandhan Bank, I didn't remember. One who taken, one of my friend, but he's still holding or not, I didn't know. But he was tried for this Bank of Baroda. And these are all the things which is giving you. But our PFC 385, that 32, I think it went target and then returned back. PFC 385, I think 2 days back. 385. Some of the stocks also like this. Our entry point is around 32. 32 got triggered at this point around this candle, and it went up to 42, and maximum it reaching towards 44, and recently 44, and from our entry point of 32 to 44 that went, and now it is closed with 33, so nearby our entry point, but it is giving you some good movement from our entry. So so we find a lot of opportunity in metals and IT stocks giving you such a good result in this week. And as per our monthly concept, it's a monthly positional where we are using for exactly with our advanced strategy concept, where we can apply when in any entry triggered on this particular sheet, we can utilize all our hedging strategies. So you know well. So 2.1, 3.2, 1.1, sorry, FO, ESBB, naked OTM, naked ATM. So whatever the strategy which you want, you can use. And this is what a key point where we get an opportunity for all these hedging strategies. Okay, directional and non-directional also we can plan, but here we clearly know the direction is bullish. So based on that, we can try for a hedging strategies based on our concepts, and we find almost previously we seen 13 14 stock, which is almost 50% as of now. 43 stock in the 15th of December, from 1st December to 15th December, almost 43 stocks. I'm not talking about all 43 will give you the entry. Okay, some of the stocks may be gap up, like which you have seen previously. Bank of Baroda, I think, and that one is working well. RBL, Bandhan Bank. Yeah, that is also works well. I think these three banks we tried, and that is also working well, like ICICI, Ambuja Cement, SBA, and so a lot of stock which giving you such a good result based on our concept. And if you have any good time, so we can work out about the stocks. Now, how many stocks given you the entry as per overall concept? We have almost 43 stocks. Maybe some stocks we are removing from this list because of gap up, and it can't able to give you the entry opportunity. Even we can get 20 stocks, that's good enough in a month, within a 15 days of the month. And next week, weekly sheet is going to be updated, and you can try for. But expiry week, we have only 3 days for the expiry, I think. So we are going to not to play with the expiry weeks. I hope you enjoyed this session and how to use it. So gap up stocks you simply avoid, and if the stock is not giving you the entry, don't catch the stocks in the highest price. That is also don't do. And very small lot size also you can focus, and only quality and liquid stocks. Okay, so what we are using with our advanced option strategy, this monthly basis, at least 3 to 5 stocks is good to find out a trade opportunity as a positional, either whether you are going to do a edging or a naked. And weekly basis, 2 to 3 stocks. That is what the concept. And intraday, which we are added here in this sheet, is to be giving you intraday purpose. Here we find out by Camarilla R4. That Camarilla R4 is nothing about, it's a technical indicator. So we are fetching the data from an option itself, which option which breaks the R4 Camarilla, and that starts having possibilities to move upside, that we are looking for with this particular scanner, and that is also working well. But if the same concept which you can apply, if any stock which give you the trigger before 9:30, simply avoid the stock, and stock which is giving you the breakout after 9:30, that would be the better stocks and better options for good intraday move. So let me check any ONGC 196. ONGC 196. Our breakout point is around 5.52 past 15 minutes candle. 6.5. It is about a pre-breakout. SBI, that one. Yeah, you look at this. This is what I'm just looking for. The high is 14.4 on 15th December. Our entry point 13.79. I think it is by gap up triggered 15.4, 13.79. So that is, let me check with the chart. Yeah, it is already opened about to that. Infosys 1500, persistence 6900. Maybe persistence will be opened by the first candle itself. Here you can see it is happening on the second candle only. First candle is not closed, the second candle is closed. That was a great opportunity. Okay, and breakout National Aluminium 5.7, 104. That may be triggered in the pre-open session. That means opening itself, because it is a gap up one. So maybe that was happening in the first candle itself. You can look at this. What is loading. So we need to find out after 9:30. You can look for a fresh breakout. That means those stock which is less than 100, that is having a good opportunity for a breakout, but it is not loading it. And Grasim, something like that, and LTTS. So National NTPC 295 9.2, NTPC 295. Yeah, this one which I'm looking for. The first candle, second candle, third candle never triggered. Maybe the breakout which is happening after that is slightly came down, and then finally it gives you the good result. So this is what a fresh breakout which I'm looking for. That a Camarilla R4 which is broken after 9:30, that should be the fresh breakout. So that is also you can apply. And if you wish to ask about the sheet, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp to get more details about the price and subscription of this sheet. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching here. Thank you.